This 2023 Newmar Mountain Aire 4118 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 41 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Beckford Decor, Driftwood Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, awning, auxiliary battery, external shower, TV, air conditioning, stove-top burner, leveling jacks, Colorado Detector, slideout, TV antenna, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Mountain Aire 4118 is built on a Spartan K3 Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins X12 500 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.